Hey there, I wanted to show you how to, if you're using the live Sass compiler extension, which I am, I'll show you what I'm dealing with. It's like, let's say you type something, you're not done yet, and it just starts, like, it just puts up this error message, which can be annoying, and it's not even an error yet, so, like, maybe you don't need that. So what you can do is you can go into the live Sass compiler, so I go to extensions here, live Sass compiler, you can search for the name if you want, if it's not, right there, extension settings. You can scroll down to, I'm already scrolled down, but you can scroll down to this live Sass compile settings, show output window on. So as in like show output window on when it does this. So like you can pick it, like even just a warning, you can show it, or you can just set it to none, which is what I'm doing now. So now I'm getting an error, but like I can see the error down here. I can click it if I want to see it, but it's not going to pop up by itself. So Um, that's pretty much it. Yeah, and I think it'll um, if it's if it's a success, it'll just probably maybe it'll show success down there. No, I guess it doesn't. It'll just show for an error. So if I do something like this, it'll still give you that little error message supposedly, or I guess now it's not doing it for some reason. But anyway, you know how to do that now. So I hope that helped. All right, bye.